Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use templates in Google Sheets. Google Sheets templates are a great way to save time and create organized spreadsheets more easily. Instead of starting everything from scratch, you can use a ready-made template and customize it according to your needs. To get started, open the Google Sheets home page. From here, you can access the template gallery, where you can find different types of ready-made templates. Click on the template gallery to view the available options. You may find templates for budgets, schedules, to-do lists, project planning, and many other tasks. Now, choose any template that you want to use. When you click on a template, Google Sheets will open it as a new spreadsheet. Once the template is open, you can customize it by changing the text, adding your own information, and editing the spreadsheet according to your needs. Using templates can save time and help you create professional and organized spreadsheets without starting from a blank sheet. And that's how you can use templates in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next video.